Hey friends, this is Atif Opir and welcome to the new update on Verasity. After the breakout from a descending triangle on the daily time frame chart for the past few days, Verasity is trying to break out this long-term resistance of $0.008, and it is right now moving between this support of $0.0064 that was recently breaking as a resistance here. Before that, it was breaking as a resistance here, and support here, and now it is breaking as a support again and this resistance of $0.008. And after breaking out this $0.008, the next resistance will be here at $0.0095. That is also another quite long-term resistance. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.0095 has been previously breaking as a resistance here. And before that, for a few weeks, it has been working as a support here as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big down channel and from a very, very huge falling wedge pattern. On the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup of Fusionist, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 16th of November 2024. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone, the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Verasity. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it was moving inside this descending triangle. Even for the past several weeks, it was moving inside this triangle. Since after the month of April 2024, it was moving inside this triangle. We got stabilizations here when it was moving inside this previous down channel. And after the breakout from this channel, the price then tested the support of the triangle here, here, and here. Then we got a few more rejections here, a few more rejections here, and a few more touch points here at the support here, here, and here. And finally, the price then broke out the resistance of the triangle. And after the breakout, we broke out a quite long-term resistance on that starts from $0.0045 and goes to $0.005, approximately at half cents. That was previously breaking as a very strong support zone here for several weeks. And before that, it had been breaking a support zone here as well. And now it can again, in fact, it was again working as a very nice support. And after retesting this previous resistance on its support zone, the price then geared up and broke out the next resistance of $0.0064 that was recently working as a resistance here, and support here as well. And now again, it is working as a nice support. Now we need to break out the next long-term resistance at $0.008. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $0.008 has been previously working as a resistance here and support here. Therefore, again, it is working as a very strong resistance for the price line of Verasity. By the way, the technical target that I've been telling you in my so many previous videos for the breakout from this triangle was here. That is approximately at this long-term resistance of $0.0095, and we are about to hit that target, by the way. And $0.0095 in itself is a quite long-term resistance as well. That was previously breaking as a resistance here, and before that, this $0.0095 was breaking as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And the technical target for the breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel at 1.6 cents, and slightly higher than this 1.6 cents. We have a quite long-term resistance of 1.7 cents as well. That was previously working as a support here for several weeks, and now this 1.7 cents can work as a strong resistance for the price line of Verasity. Now on this 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term down channel as well. And the long-term target for the breakout from this down channel is here at the top of the channel. That is somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.